time for the seeds. Ta-da, berries. Oh, delicious. Look, the biggest cabbage. Run. That's a great find. Together. Hooray! We got it. What is that? It's glowing. Wow. I'll get it. Maybe it's too big. You can do it. I can't. Oops! Watch out! Oh my! Ouch! Oh, hello? Hi! Peekaboo! That's the one! I agree! Reporting for duty! Almost there. Push harder. Hold fast. We got it. We found it. Oh, wonderful. Hooray. Clink. Hop, 2, 3. Duckling, are you okay? I did it! Wow! Amazing! Hooray! Can you get it? It keeps slipping! Don't give up! It's too big! I can't... Look! More kernels! So many kernels! Zoom! Faster! Watch out! Got it! Over here! I did it! Yay! Well done, Bee! Yuck! Healthy! All right, I'll try. Yay! Got it. Yay! Oops. Quack. Bravo, Commander Cabbage. Very dramatic. Quack, the garden is saved. Look, the water. We can wash our carrots and veggies here. I'm getting it so clean. Look at me splash. Careful, you two. Oh my, you almost got it. Quack, quack. Don't give up.
Are you all right?
Here you go. Quack, quack, quack. Look at these leaves. What is this funny root? It smells nice. Keep trying, you'll get it. Oopsie, that's a bit messy. Don't worry, we can fix it together. Oh, it's so heavy. We can do this together. Let's look underneath. Perfect. Great job. We did it. What's wrong? A snail? Hello, friend. Hi. The pot. And the corn. Yes. Push. Almost there. Just a little more. Yay! You made powder. We did it. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Be careful, little duck. Ta-da! Wow. Woo, yay! I found it! I found the leaf Good job, character C. Look, she's scooping water. Oops. It's okay, you did a great job. Yay! The sticks look perfect here. Let me add some hay to that. We make a great team. I think it's ready. Yes, it feels strong. Yay, we did it. Rub, rub, rub. Nothing. Maybe I can help. Oh, blows. Wow, you did it. Thank you. I think it's working. It's lighting up. Hooray! We did it. Almost ready. Look at the steam. Watching the pot. Time for the seeds. Ta-da! Berries! Oh, delicious! Oh my, it's getting so thick! Wow, look at that! Incredible! Ow! Quack! Quack! Giggles! Almost ready! Oh, I can't wait! Oh, I can't wait! Hurry, hurry! Oh, look! It's so pretty! Don't move! Achoo! Oh no! I'm sorry! Oh, look out! Stand behind me, it'll be okay. I was so scared. They're leaving now, you're safe. Oh, look how smooth and creamy it's become. Wow, it's perfect. Great job. Flop. Wow. Chirp, chirp. This is so good. Oh, wow, yum. Ta-da! The perfect souffle! You're the best chef! Truly delightful. Let's fold it here. Hold the corners tight. I'll press the middle. Here is your warm porridge. Oh, thank you. It looks so delicious. Oh, look, a hen! I wonder what she smells. Would you like to try it first, character C? Oh, yes, please. Delicious, thank you. I'm so glad. Ta-da! Cheering! Clocks! I have the perfect leaf for cleaning. Oh. Look at my crumb stack. Want some?